Good morning, guys. It is Friday, March 13th, and it's 8:49. I'm currently waiting for my man to come home. Once he comes home, we're gonna go hit the gym. So I'm kind of hanging out, did my makeup, and I'm just doing a little bit of work, trying to get a little bit of work done before it's time to go. Maybe drink some coffee. Honestly, it's Friday today and I'm so happy that it is because I've been so tired. I still have like things that I need to do for the weekend, but it's not crazy. Honestly, I'm waiting for things to arrive to me. So I'm like in this middle point. I have some videos that I need to film for a brand, but I haven't received the product yet in order for me to film. So I'm kind of just in a middle point, and I just received word that they had to reship it to me. There was, you know what? We had a Mercury Retrograde. I should have been more careful. Like I said, I have some editing that I need to do for this weekend. And then other than that, I have the gym. I'm ready to go to the gym already. I already ate. I'm a little full. I ate like not too long ago. I also have my first vlog to figure out. So what I'm having an issue with is the photos for the vlog, which I used to have that issue too. So now I have to be a little smarter. I think I need to start taking photos. Think about my vlog thumbnail, you know? Things to think about when you're filming. Why, hello there, guys. It's been a little bit. I actually haven't filmed in a little while. I have a lot of old footage that I haven't edited yet. So I made myself stop for a little bit because what's the point if I don't end up editing a full vlog? So anyways, I just got ready. I'm gonna go downstairs and start looking at lunch because it's Friday. I actually finished work a little early today because we're gonna go out to bowl with the family. So we have the boys this weekend, which is fun. So I thought I would start filming with this camera again because I wanted to do a combo. It's actually pretty nice out today. I think it's like 50s. Pretty nice. So yeah. So it's a brand new day. Yesterday we were supposed to go bowling. We ended up not going. It looks like we're going today. So let's get ready. It's still morning. I have like a bunch of skincare right now that I'm really into. This is TM1. Hyaluronic acid. This is the Kiehl's one. This is the Merit Great Skin Glow Serum. I really like this. I don't like the spray. It gets everywhere. And then let's gua sha. I always gua sha in the morning, like the first time I do my skincare, which is typically when I go to the gym. So on the weekends, I try to just do it. Let's do some moisturizer. This is the first one. It's affordable and it's very good. Feels good. Eye cream and lippies. I love this Copari lip balm. The flavor is like vanilla. A little eye cream. This is the Province Beauty one. I like this one a lot too. Really into these Belief sunscreens, but I just got this one. This is by Frutia. It's an SPF 50. It's called their Blueberry Air Fit sunscreen, and it's like a moisturizer. And I really want to use it, but I'm not going to use it until I had to film a UCG video for them. Once I get that video approved and I don't have to do any retakes, then I'll start using that because I love this one. It's pretty good. I feel like it took me a little bit to get. Yesterday I played with Milk Makeup Hydro and I did like foundation and everything. I think I'm gonna skip all that today. I'm just gonna go straight in with the Maybelline Grippy. Love this stuff. A little bit of amber. This is OG. Yes, I'm still using OG. I remember the first time I talked about them, actually. I was watching that, well, there's an old vlog from when I still lived in Florida. Don't have any more of this, but I do have another one. I'm just using it all the way through before Makeup feels a little bit less glidey today. I wonder what I did different with my skincare. If you're wondering why I'm wearing my Colombia jersey today, we're going bowling. We all have the jersey. We got it for obviously the Mundial this year, and kind of excited. Get photos together and stuff. It'll be cute. Let's do a really bright blush today. Why not? I love these blushes. Probably just gonna end up wearing sneakers. Charlotte Tilbury. So my first vlog on my channel just went live this past Friday. Today's Saturday, so yesterday. It's actually doing pretty good, so I'm pretty excited. It kind of motivated me to keep going. So I'm already editing my second one, and then obviously this is gonna be a part of like more of like my weekend, I guess. A weekend in my life. Let's do some Physicians Formula. Ooh, let's do this one, Culver Crush. But the problem with these is they're so pigmented that sometimes you can like add a little too much. So let's try to do it very lightly. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Not too much. I think that looks good. Let's do a little highlight moment. The Cleo Prism highlighter. It's in the shade 04 Grace Opal. I'm obsessed, and it's so pretty. Like, look how pretty this is. So pretty. But I just kind of drag it on underneath my eyebrow like that. That's it. Just a little bit. I feel like I keep saying this, but L'Oreal recently has my heart when it comes to brows. So I'm using L'Oreal Brow Styler in combination with the L'Oreal Faux Brow, in combination with the L'Oreal Brow Lamination. So good. I always start with the Brow Styler. I like to draw the shape underneath the brow, and then I go in with the Faux Brow. It's a really, really good product. Now let's do the other side. Brow brush through, and then at this point I decide if there's anything that I feel like needs to be filled in a little more. I kind of just fill it in, and then obviously I end it with the brow lamination. Now this is just gonna like hold the brows in place. For mascara, I've been really into this one. This is the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. I always curl my lashes first. A mirror that I use when I film. He picked this color out for me. We were at Walmart and they had like their clearance section, and I saw this and I've always wanted to try these. Never had. Couldn't decide on a color. And I'm really bad at choosing colors sometimes with lips. Like I feel like I have a lot of the same. So anyways, he picked this one, which is not the one I would have gone for. I wanted one that looked more like orangey. I feel like that would like that one too, to be fair. But anyways, it was only $6 and it was down from $11. So not bad. But the way that I like to use them is basically like a stain. I kind of put it in the middle and blend it like that, and it lasts for so long. It's super long lasting. Let's do a little lip liner. This is Makeup Forever in the shade Wherever Walnut. And over top these, this is the Milk Makeup Hydrolite lip balms. And I'm obsessed with these. I have a bunch of them. They sent these to me a while back, and I have loved these ever since. They're so good. All right, let me show you my outfit of the day. I don't have my shoes on, so let me just show you part of the outfit of the day. So I've got my Columbia jersey, and then the jeans are from H&M, and then I'm obviously gonna be wearing a jacket because I'm always cold, and hopefully it's warm where we're going. I feel like I need more blush. Let me know what you guys think. Let me show the outfit of the day to the camera. No?
Yeah.
No, because you're shy?
I'm shy?
Yeah, you've always been kind of shy. can I just say I was not the best this day, and of course I only captured footage of when I did horrible. I promise you I got some strikes at the end of this game. I always take a little bit to warm up, and of course we had to head over to the arcade and none of us won anything, which was a bummer, but hey, at least we tried and we had some fun, and that's what it's all about. And then of course we headed over and had some lunch. Oh my god, look, it's Mew! So cute. Oh, Ditto where? Oh, look at this one.